GTGB High Gradient Permanent Magnetic Type Magnetic Separator is a national patent product. Is a high gradient, high field strength magnetic separation device by Weifeng Guode Mining Equipment Company Limited. It integrates magnetic beneficiation and gravity beneficiation, and can select the weak magnetic minerals according to the different magnetic characteristics of the ore. It is widely used in iron removal and purification process of wet processing non-metallic minerals, and is especially suitable for wet iron removal of non-metallic minerals such as quartz sand and potassium-sodium feldspar. GTGB High Gradient Permanent Magnetic Type Magnetic Separator has many assembly units, mainly includes frame made of channel steel, lower power tank, the frame for placing a magnetic system, transmission rollers, plate magnetic system mechanism, conveyor belt, gear reducer motor, feeding box, automatic washing mineral device, The magnetic system of GTGB High Gradient Permanent Magnetic Type Magnetic Separator is made of high-performance rare earth neodymium iron boron material. Its local maximum magnetic field can reach 17,000 gauss, which is closer to the magnetic field strength of high-gradient electromagnetic magnetic separator. Its magnetic system group adopts a flat plate arrangement structure, which has a larger magnetic field scanning area and a better ion selection effect than traditional magnetic separators. Both the magnetic system and the conveyor belt are mounted on a frame for placing a magnetic system. It can conveniently and quickly adjust to the horizontal angle of the carrier, thereby controlling the flow velocity of the slurry in the magnetic separation area, so as to better select the magnetic materials in the slurry. Gear reducer motor are selected from domestic well-known brands. The gear reducer motor can adjust the running speed of the conveyor belt in time according to the different material shapes of the magnetic materials in the slurry to achieve a better iron removal effect. The conveyor belt adopts high-strength and high-quality composite materials, which has a long service life and an obvious iron uploading effect. The feeding box adopts a double-layer perforated plate structure. The cloth is smooth and uniform, and the slurry layer is thin. The up and lower to high-pressure water automatic or flushing devices are set. The up-rushing washing device is responsible for washing the non-magnetic or slurry mix in the magnetic material. The lower rushing washing device uses high-pressure water to rinse the magnetic material particles attached to the conveyor belt. The working process of the GTGB high-gradient permanent magnetic type magnetic separator is: the oil pulp is fed into the feeding box through the feeding pipe, and after being fully dispersed, it is evenly distributed on the conveyor belt on the upper part of the plate-type magnetic mechanism. Under the action of gravity, the oil pulp flows downward along the inclined direction of the conveyor belt, and the non-magnetic slurry finally flows into the non-magnetic slurry bucket of the lower pulp tank. The magnetic materials containing the oil pulp are firmly absorbed on the conveyor belt under the action of a high-intensity magnetic field of up to 17,000 Gauss. The gear reducer motor drives the transmission roller group, which drives the conveyor belt to move upward along the oblique direction with the magnetic materials on it. Finally, the magnetic material on the conveyor belt enters the magnetic field-free zone under the action of gravity and high-pressure flushing water. The magnetic material and the flushing water enter the magnetic slurry bucket of the lower pulp tank together. If GTGB high-gradient permanent magnetic type magnetic separator and GTLH vertical ring and pulsating high-gradient magnetic separator are used together, the fine-grained weak magnetic materials containing the pulp can be selected to the greatest extent. There is a core equipment of iron removal and impurity removal in non-metal beneficiation.